Once again for the Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here. And Greg, I understand it's a very special day.
Oh, it's a huge day. It's my daughter Ava. It's her 13th birthday, so happy birthday. Uncle Eddie and I are ecstatic for Ava.
We're thrilled.
Greg, yeah, you're in for a special couple of years.
Oh, she's special.
Yeah. It's gonna be a wild ride.
She's a great kid.
All right, here is our question today, and this is from Dave in Dunmore. Dave wants to know, my daughter is 5, and I don't have a formal custody arrangement with her mother, but things are getting heated. The mom is holding back visits with my daughter. Do you recommend going to court for an order? What should Dave in Dunmore do?
Well, Dave, obviously, if you cannot work it out, I mean, first and foremost, try to work it out. Try to work it out with your ex-wife, and certainly get the lawyers involved to see if you can work out some arrangement short of having to go back into court. Because if you have to go back into court, it's going to cost you time, it's going to cost you money, and you want to make sure that you're doing what's in the best interest of your kids. So talk to your lawyer on this. I wouldn't rush right into court on this thing. Talk to your lawyer and see if you guys can work something out on this.
Yeah, the problem is when I used to do custody work, and it's funny, over Easter I got a phone call from a friend who was having a custody issue, and it was kind of on this point, and he didn't have a formal order. So if it's getting complicated, you can get a custody order that'll pin down the minute, the second, the time, the date, the place where everything occurs, from holidays to weekends. So if you're in that situation, then you get that court order. Then there's no gray area. It's black and white. You know when you're going to have your kids. You can schedule accordingly. So it's obviously better to work it out. But if not, those court orders are extremely effective. And then once everybody gets on that order, things seem to move a lot smoother. So I mean, it's kind of a call, but the orders are helpful once you get them.
All right, for our viewers who need some legal advice when it comes to family law, again, I think you're going to refer them here.
Absolutely.
Right? So how can they get in touch with you?
Just call us, 570-714-HURT, or see us on the web at 714hurt.com, and we'll hook you up with some very good lawyers.
Yeah, and custody issues, family law issues, obviously they're very emotional and very sensitive, and all of the calls, they're confidential, and we'll get you to somebody that can help you out on this.
All right, Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com, the Law and You hotline, 2 ways to get a question here on the show.